Jefferson County until midnight.
Oh, it's for me.
Standard Time. At 11:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bowley Springs to 6 miles northwest of Fairley Creek Campgrounds to near Shelton State Community College, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Oh, I'm close to be under it.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Bessemer, Northport, Hueytown, Fairfield, Hull, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Adamsville, Brighton, Mountville, Lipscomb, Grayville, Lakeview, Brookwood, Coling, Sylvan Springs, Vance, and Brookside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for Central and West Central Alabama. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for Central and West Central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Standard Time Sunday for the following counties.
You did not go off.